Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning on announce calls so your iPhone can speak names. Open Settings and go to Phone or Siri and search, then find Announce Calls. Turn it to the option that fits how you use the phone, always if you want spoken names without touching the device. Headphones and car if you only need it during drives or with earbuds. This enables the system voice to read caller ID, which is required before any contact name announcements will occur. Next, make sure your contacts are readable by Siri so names are pronounced correctly. You need to open each contact and tap Edit, then add a phonetic first name or phonetic last name field if Siri stumbles on pronunciation. Also confirm the incoming number exactly matches the contact entry and that the phone label is set correctly. Once done, Siri will map the spoken phrase to a contact instead of reading just the number, which improves recognition. Finally, test by having someone call while you're in the mode you chose. You should hear the name. If you only hear the number, make sure Siri's language and voice match your contact names and that announce calls is still enabled. Restart the iPhone, and if necessary, toggle Siri and announce calls off and back on to reset permissions. One troubleshooting tip: if a contact still isn't spoken, add a phonetic name entry and retest. This often fixes mispronunciations or recognition failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.